Why should Bal Thackeray not be booked for contempt of court? That's the center stage face-off question for tonight. Anand Gadgil is a senior spokesperson of the Congress in Maharashtra. Joining us from Mumbai tonight also is Rahul Navrekar, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, and Prahlad Kakkad, ad guru and prominent Mumbaikar, with us as well. I want to come to you, Rahul, first up. We've seen Bal Thackeray spend the better part of the last 3 decades hitting out at the Congress for what he called dynastic politics. Yesterday, he ushered in his grandson, the second generation of Thackerays coming into politics. If this is not dynastic politics, explain to our viewers, Rahul Navrekar, what really is. This is hypocrisy getting exposed in front of 1 lakh people.
Well, Rahul, I beg to disagree with you. At the outset, let's understand what is the definition of dynastic politics. Is floating an organization which you truly believe in, expressing your ideology and working towards nation building, amounting to dynastic politics?
That is exactly what Rahul Gandhi does, and that's what Shiv Sena keeps hitting out against. This is exactly what Rahul Gandhi does. This is what the Shiv Sena hits again. What is the difference? This is the Shiv Sena's hypocrisy being exposed.
If you allow me to answer, you will get answers to all your questions. So, coming back to what I was saying, merely organizing, floating an organization does not mean you are promoting dynastic politics. Dynastic politics is what the culprit Congress party is doing. Right from Motilal Nehru to Jawaharlal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira Gandhi, Indira Gandhi to Rajiv Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi to Rahul Gandhi. This is what is called dynastic politics.
Bal Thackeray to Uddhav Thackeray, Uddhav Thackeray to Aditya Thackeray, it's the same thing.
Nor has Aditya Thackeray held any constitutional post or any public office for which you can accuse them of promoting dynastic politics.
Well, that's a very facile difference. A lot of people would argue you haven't got any popularity and haven't won any seats.
Short of your show time.
You don't have any seats. You don't have any seats. If you'd won, surely Uddhav Thackeray would be your chief minister. I want to go across. Okay, I want to go across to Anand Gadgil and get him really to comment on Bal Thackeray's statement yesterday. He's literally dared the High Court, said, sue me if you can. This tiger's roar cannot be contained. There's a breach of all noise pollution levels. The permission was given to the Shiv Sena specifically on the condition that the noise pollution norms are met. Why is this man not being booked?
Let me first talk about what Rahul has said about the dynasty. Let me say that starting from Pandit Nehru all the way to Rahul Gandhi, whether it is Nehru or whether it is from the Gandhi family, everyone has faced the elections in their life. They have got individual mandate from the people, whereas none of them from the Thackeray family. None of them from the Thackeray family. Let me complete now. Let me complete my point. When nobody from the Thackeray family, nobody from the Thackeray family has ever faced any election in their lifetime. They have not faced any election in their lifetime. And how can you? No, how can you say?
No, Rahul Navrekar, 1 second. Behind this aggression also lies the question: what has Aditya Thackeray done so far for him to be given this post? What is it that he's done for him to be given this post? Did you not find any Marathi Manus in all of Maharashtra who could have done this job?
Just because Aditya Thackeray is born in the Thackeray family, he does not have the right to float an organization, to head an organization. Has he entered public life, contested an election only because he's a Thackeray? Has he been appointed to any constitutional post only because he's a Thackeray?
Always critical of the Gandhi family, Nehru family. Let me complete my point. You have been critical of the Nehru Gandhi family all the time.
It is not me. The nation has witnessed this political dynastic rule that they have subjected.
Give me a moment.
Election, and here is a Thackeray family who never faced election in their lifetime. In political scenario, in a democratic setup,
that's because you do not
when you don't have a people's mandate?
Okay, give me a moment. Let me bring Prahlad Kakkad. There's a lot of noise. There was a lot of noise, Prahlad. At the rally yesterday, there's a lot of noise on this show. But this really exposes the Thackerays for their sheer hypocrisy. They've been railing against the Congress all this while, and now this is the third generation Thackeray entering politics, Prahlad.
What you are saying about the hypocrisy you are expressing.
But are you really surprised about the noise levels? Because all
Give me a moment, Mr. Gadgil, I'm coming to you. Mr. Gadgil, I'm coming back to you.